dashboard and analytics. So with regards to dashboard, you will be able to understand how to prioritize your day. So as you see here, the number of unresolved tickets, which needs resolution, the number of tickets that have surpassed the SLA fall under overdue, the number of tickets that are going to meet their SLA will be due today, and the total number of open tickets, pending and unassigned are listed here in the default dashboard, using which an agent or a manager will be able to prioritize their day or the day for the team. And in this particular dashboard, you have filters. If it's a manager, they can toggle between different teams and view dashboards specific to that. And there's also a provision to create your own dashboard using a new team dashboard, where you will be able to create the widgets and you'll be able to save the dashboard for your team. So these are pulled in from the ticket views, the view that you would be creating inside the ticket list page, from where you'll be able to pull and be able to apply the metric for a particular widget here on this dashboard that you will be creating on your own. Some of the sample dashboards are here. So it's about the customization of the dashboard. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to understand the total number of unresolved tickets. And they could also be seen at a team member and at a group level. So you could quickly understand the number of tickets that are open for the individuals. And you will also be able to understand in which stage of the life cycle these tickets currently are in. Like how many under open, how many under waiting on customer is something a supervisor or a manager gets to understand about the team's status and the number of tickets assigned to them. So that's about the dashboard. And moving to the analytics section. So this will be helpful to derive more insights about the entire account and also about the team members. So we have recently revamped the entire analytics part of it in the product. And basically, I would broadly split this into two. One half is the curated reports, where there are reports that are already available inside the instance. So these are the ones. So if I go to help desk performance, this is a report that's going to give me metrics data around the response, resolution times, first call resolution, etc. for the entire account. And I will be able to apply filters and slice it down to what information I would need to view in terms of a date range, or a section of the data can be viewed with the help of this report filter. I could also click on a particular segment if I want to have a closer look at it. And the information here in a particular widget can be populated in the form of a donut chart, bar chart, horizontal bar chart, pie chart, summary table as well. So information can be derived from any of these visualization capabilities for better insights and visualization. So apart from the help desk in depth, we also have agent and group performance to understand specific details of team members working in a team and about teams working in a particular company. If you take the agent performance here, you clearly have the number of tickets reassigned, reopened, resolved for each of the team members, and also the agent responses, the private notes added by each of them are listed here. Further, this could also be filtered, and you'll also be able to see the metrics related to it. So the columns that are represented here are nothing but metrics. So there is also a provision to view them as well. So these are the metrics that are associated, like the ticket reassigned to, ticket reopened, ticket resolved, agent reply. So these are the columns. So in other words, I would say the metrics that is established here and the filter are the building blocks of the analytics. This will typically take care of what information is being visualized here in the reporting section. Apart from the agent performance, we also have a similar report called the group performance, where you will be able to take a look at your group, understand the number of tickets reassigned, the responses, etc., like how you saw for agent performance report. We also have a satisfaction survey capability using which whenever a ticket is being resolved or closed, or whenever an agent wants to insert a survey, that can be sent to the end user, and the responses will be seen here in this segment. So through that, the number of positive and negative feedback given by the end users can be visualized in this particular report. So time can also be captured in a ticket to understand the total time spent across tickets. We also have reports around the life cycle, the volume of ticket, to understand different insights in terms of the tickets that you are receiving. So these are the set of curated reports that we offer. On top of this, you will also be able to create your own reports by clicking the new report capability, and you will be able to give it any title. And you can either have it for everyone or just for you. I'm just going to go with only me. So here, this is the report canvas where you'll be able to drag and drop the templates, which are the widgets. So there are some existing widgets that you can make use of. So this can be chart or text. Say if I want to use this, I just need to drag and drop that. Once done, I need to place it. I can expand that, and I'll be able to apply the report filter here once the basic widget has been enabled. And on top of that, I will be able to also take a closer look at this particular widget, and I will be able to add metrics to it. So it can be a ticket metric where customer reply count needs to be the average that needs to be identified. So group by is going to classify whatever metric that I'm mentioning here to exactly group it by, so that I'll be able to understand, get more insights around a particular metric. So likewise, you'll be able to create multiple widgets, and you'll be able to apply a high level filter condition across the entire report. And for specific widgets, again, you will be able to apply specific metrics and also filters to kind of have that widget in a way which gives you data that you want to view. So with the help of these analytics, you will be able to derive more insights in terms of the number of tickets you receive, the SLA adherence, the response rates across the entire account, and also you will be able to derive insights at an agent level, at a group level, and also be able to view the satisfaction survey that has been filled by the end users. That's how analytics can help you get more insights about your team's performance, about the entire account, and be able to measure specific KPIs. So that's the first section that I wanted to cover, which is around the dashboard and the analytics module. So apart from that, just to quickly recap, so far we have seen 4 modules in the deep dive. First one was the different channels through which how customers can reach out to a particular company. Second is when they reach out, they need to be routed to the appropriate team. We saw how the routing mechanism can be done seamlessly with the help of various automations that we offer. And third module is the agent activity, how the agents will be able to handle the tickets across different channels. The omnichannel experience is also something that we saw there. And the fourth one is around dashboard and analytics. So the one that we saw is specific to the Freshdesk instance. Likewise, to understand the call volume trend and chat volume trend, there are specific reports inside Fresh Caller and Fresh Chat separately as well.